Hey everybody, long time no see. Um, like I said, I had vertigo last week. I don't think I'm completely recovered from it still, but we'll talk about that later. I was going to use my Gothographic and my Sugar Pill because I saw a girl do a look and it was so pretty, and I wanted to try and recreate it. But I do remember that it is St. Patrick's Day this week, and I have done looks with this before, but I don't think I've ever done it with the green on the lid. So I figured maybe try to do a smoky look. Um, I I use this. I'm like, we have these, and I know the glitter's only on top, but you could use the bottom as a another primer, the base color. So I'm actually also, that is so pretty, that black. It's got rainbow sparkles. I'm gonna dip a little bit of it into the black where I already did the swatch with, and I'm just gonna put it right at the base, where your the lash line, just to help smoke it out a little bit more. And I never ever liked how they did this palette because they've got this beautiful, like a sea green, a very, very soft green, minty, just a soft, cool green. And then they got this really warm lime green. But I'm going to try it this way. I just got the idea. I said, St. Patrick's Day. Not that I had to do that look, but it just came. I said, let me just see how it would look as a smoky. So I'm going to take that lime green, and I'm going to use that as the transition color. So I'm going to put that in my crease. I'm so out of it that I'm working on my other. I've been doing everything backwards right now because I'm still so out of it. That's out of everything I've been through in my life, that has got to be the scariest. And I pray to God that never happens again. I mean, my brain feels like it's scrambled. I kid you not. I'm working on the other. I'll cut it out, but for time's sake, I don't do both eyes. So, a really pretty green. Putting the black at the base doesn't seem to really have done much. Okay, let's just try to. And then take the sea green. I call it a sea green, a mint green. That's like my favorite light green color. And it comes off, since it's so shimmery, it comes off almost white. If you use it as a lid color, you could put like a base underneath it to make it look more green. So let's go back in. I have the camera a little bit further away today because sometimes I go out of frame. So, see how that works. Let me go back in with that lime green, which, not bad, not bad. Put a little bit more black here, just to, and just go back in with this, blending it into that transition color, and black, and finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Okay. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I used the last of my Younique. Usually that gives me the illusion of fake lashes, but it was the last of it. I was scraping the bottom of the barrel, so to speak. So, probably would have looked better with lashes, but I didn't feel like it merited. Like, it's not a black, and it's not a dark green. So, I opted not to. Like I said, I was a mess. I'm still not completely over it. The vertigo. So anyway, what I use in my lips, I'm still trying to continue my 50 some odd colors of the NYX Soft Matte Lip Creams. This one is Ibiza. Not sure what country that is from, because they put city names on them, which is like a corally color. Because I thought it was going to be like an orangey nude, but it's actually like a coral. It's like an orangey pinkish color. I used the NYX liner because at one point when you order NYX, they were giving you free eyeliners, and this is Nectar. I got like 2 of these, and the lime green for the inner corners. I got 2 of those. I have been, when my eyeliner, I had a couple of eyeliners that were the swivel kind, you know, not the sharpened kind, but the one you gotta twist. And they dried out, and I just stuck them in here, so they're mixed with shade, or because I was almost finished with shade, and I just melted them. You know, I do what I learned online, that you put a little bit of the little bit of glycerin, a little bit of that gel liner. I forgot what it's called. Silicone face primer, and you put it in the microwave for about 10-20 seconds, and it melts down. You mix it, whatnot. So I don't even know if this is shade or MAC shade, or most likely, because it was almost finished, most likely it was like I have some Mary Kay liners like that. So it kind of upsets me, because Mary Kay is very expensive, and then it dries out like that. That gets me upset. So yeah, and then for blush, I used Mellow Wine because it's a warm toned blush, and I used the Mermaid Midnight Moon highlighter because it's got like this tealy green tint to it. Let me see if we could. It's a gold, but sometimes it looks like a lime green. So that's what I did, and so yeah, I believe, yeah, that's it. That's what I did with that. Look at my nails, green for St. Patrick's Day with glitter. See the little glitters right here.